Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add a new page in Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. After opening your Canva, you can see create a design option on the top right corner. Click on it and select a new design. Here I am choosing poster template. Now after that, on the top side of the page, you can see two different options. Here on the right side, you can see add page option. Click on it and it will create a new page automatically. After that, if you want to add another page, you can see this add page button on the bottom. Click on it and it will create another page. Now there is also another way of creating a new page. Go to the home page of the Canva and click on create a design, and here click on video. After that, on the bottom side, you can see this plus sign option. If you click on this page, then it will create a new page. Here you can see that this page 2 has been created. This is it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.